Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. I'll show you how to do it. Open up Microsoft Edge and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy search and services. On right side select search and connected experience and select address bar and search. And search engine used in address bar, click on the drop down and select Google. And after changing it to Google, on the left side, select Start Home and New Tab Pages. And select when Edge starts, select Open These Pages option. And select Add a New Page option. And now type here www.google.com and press enter. Select the first site google.com. And now copy this link and paste it in this URL and select Add option. And now just to close stuff here and open a page, the Chrome page will open up. And same thing, if you search anything, it will be search using Google. And that's all you have to do it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.